If triangle ABC, this one here, shown below, is translated using this rule and then dilated by a scale factor of 1/2. All right, so we are going from x comma y to x minus 2 to y plus 1, and then that is going to be 1/2 x comma 1/2 y. Okay, so let's get us a point. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this, let's just start at A and go -4, 7. Okay, so -4, 7. So I'll put in a -4 minus 2. I'll get a -6. Put a 7 here plus 1, get an 8. Now this is my new x, y. So now I'm going to multiply 1/2 times 6 and 1/2 times 8. All right, so 1/2 times 6 is 3, and half of 8, 4. Now let's look over here at A prime. Which one has 3, 4? That should be a negative. That's a -6 right here. So negative. All right. So negative 1, 2, 3. So this is -1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's not it. Let's go here to D while we're here. And I need to go 1, 2. Nope. All right, let's look at answer choice A. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it there. Okay.